I'm Brian Macon with Macon Gun Stocks. Today we're going to be working on a 1911 Winchester auto-loading shotgun, also known as the Widowmaker. We're going to show you how to take it apart and how to put it back together. First thing you want to do, push this little button here down, which will release this. Take that off, remove the receiver, set it aside. Next thing, you got to pull the carrier back just a little bit. And that'll release the receiver once we get this mag tube loosened up. I found that an AR-15 tool is ideal for getting a hold of the front. Step back a little bit, step in, shove forward on the receiver. It's helpful to have somebody take the pressure off of here. Don't get your fingers in between the fore end and the mag tube because it'll pinch you. If he pushes and takes the pressure off there, a little more pressure off, it makes it easier to unwind the mag tube. This will not remove the fore end, but it will remove the receiver so that you can get the fore end off. Pushing too hard, Brian. Eyeball this if you need to. Shut off for a second.
Go.
Once you get down to the end of the threads, you can remove the receiver, set it aside. Now you're ready to remove the fore end. A lot of people think that turning this until it releases will release the fore end and you can take it off. That is not true. Brian, you're going to stop. Next thing you have to do, this ring does not unscrew. It's got a small retaining clip that you can see right in there. Zoom in, try to catch that little clip. More or less a wire more than anything else. Now to get that out of the little groove that it rides in, which is what holds the whole thing together, it takes about 3 hands. It's good to have somebody to assist you with it. Now I found the end of the clip and I'm going to push in so I can get that up off the little wire. Now he has the opportunity to get in there and release that little clip and bring it back where we can get a hold of it. I got it. Grab it and pull it off. Once you've done this, set that aside, you're going to want to get a hold of this because this has got a lot of pressure on it. When it comes out, it's going to give you 4 little rings. And they go on like this. This is the one that engages the spring. Then you have 2 what look like some kind of graphite rings. And then you have another ring, which is the one that the clip rides into. This small clip fits right into this little cavity right here, and that's what holds it into place when you get it all hooked up in place. You keep all this together so you don't forget how it goes. Take a picture of it. Now once you've done that, you've released the pressure from here. Now you can take the fore end apart. Slide it forward. This piece comes out. You can replace the fore end. These are real common. They'll break right here, like the Model 11 Remington or the A5 Browning. They get cracks in them right here and you have to replace them. We carry these fore ends here. We can install them for you or we can show you how to install them. Be careful when you're working on a 1911. They're very difficult to work with.